Dear students, welcome back to Shumpurtis Academy YouTube ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. What kind of test the BIOS performs for the hardware devices that are connected and functioning properly? Option B, post. Second question, using which of the following order a Boolean expression is evaluated? Option D, not and or. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What should be the inputs to get output as 1 for the following gate? Option A, 0, 0. Fourth question, a non-primitive data structure or more complex data structures. Reason, non-primitive data structures are derived from the user-defined data structure. Option D, both A and B are true. Fifth question ige option A right answer. Sixth question, function overloading means two or more functions having same name but different in the number of arguments or data type of arguments. So option A is the right answer. Seventh question, which access specifier is used to declare the constructor function? Iduke option C, public. Eighth question, which of the following members of the base class can be inherited? Option C, public and protected. Ninth, who is responsible for authorization access to the database and its use for coordinating and monitoring DBA? Which keyword in SQL is used with select to eliminate all duplicate records and fetching only unique records? Option A. What is the full form of FTP, file transfer protocol? Using which technique first the complete physical connection between two computers is established and then data is transmitted from sender computer to receiver computer? Circuit switching. Which type of e-commerce allows for exchange of service information under products from one firm to another? B2B. 15th, which language tags and options can make web pages more animated and interactive? HTML. Fill in the blanks ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The Dash is an example of popular DBMS software. IBM DB2. 17th question, Dash is the hybrid between sequential and direct access organization. ISAM. 18th question, a data warehouse is a dash of an organization electrically stored data repository. 19th question, the relational data model was developed by the EF code. The oval symbol is used to represent attribute in a ER diagram. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇನ್ನು ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ದು ಮತ್ತು SQL ಕ್ವೆರಿದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ನಾನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.